Freelancing is changing fast. And the reason is AI. In this video, I'll show you how AI is transforming freelancing, the best AI tools every freelancer should use, and how you can double your income using them even if you're a beginner. So stick around till the end, because this could literally change the way you work online. A few years ago, freelancing meant long hours, manual work, and lots of stress. But now, AI is helping freelancers work faster, smarter, and earn more. Here's how. Writers use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas and write articles. Designers use Canva Magic Studio or Midjourney to generate creative concepts. Video editors use Runway ML and Descript to edit automatically. And developers use GitHub Copilot to code faster than ever. AI isn't replacing freelancers, it's amplifying their creativity and boosting productivity. According to an Upwork report, over 60% of freelancers now use AI tools to improve their work efficiency. That's the future: humans plus AI. Let's look at some of the best AI tools you can start using right now. 1. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini. Perfect for writing, research, and brainstorming. Writers and marketers can use them to generate ideas or even draft scripts. But always add your personal touch, that's what keeps it authentic. 2. Midjourney, Leonardo AI. Great for designers and artists. These tools can instantly generate unique visual concepts you can refine in Photoshop or Canva. 3. Notion AI, ClickUp Brain, amazing for project management. They summarize client briefs, create task lists, and help you stay organized. 4. Descript, Runway ML, for video editors and YouTubers. Descript lets you edit videos just by editing the transcript. Runway ML handles motion tracking and background removal, saving hours of manual work. 5. Copy.ai, Perplexity AI, for marketing and research. Perfect for writing ad copy, analyzing brands, or creating social media content. These tools help freelancers save time, deliver more projects, and earn more money. So how can you actually use AI to increase your freelance income? Here are a few smart strategies. 1. Offer AI-enhanced services. Don't just say you're a writer or designer, say you're an AI-powered freelancer. For example, I create SEO-optimized articles using AI-driven research. Clients love modern, efficient freelancers. 2. Boost your output. AI handles the repetitive tasks, so you can take on more clients without burnout. 3. Upsell AI consulting. If you understand tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Zapier, you can help your clients set up their own AI workflows and charge extra for it. 4. Automate your business. Use tools like Zapier or Make to connect your emails, invoices, and tasks. Automation means more free time, and free time means more money. Section 4. If you're just starting out as a freelancer, here's how to begin. 1. Pick one in-demand skill: writing, design, marketing, or video editing. 2. Master one AI tool related to that skill like ChatGPT for writing or Descript for video editing. 3. Build a small portfolio using AI-generated samples to show clients what you can do. 4. Join platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Contra and start small. Keep learning. AI is evolving fast, and those who adapt will always stay ahead. AI isn't the enemy of freelancers, it's your superpower. Those who learn how to use it will earn more, work less, and lead the next generation of freelancers. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more AI and freelancing tips, and comment below what's your favorite AI tool for freelancing right now. Thanks for watching.